So, we got some garbage we picked off this beach here. This is a lot of garbage for a beach this size. This is probably 200 meters of like really rocky coastline. Water bottles and household plastics and broken laundry tubs and all that kind of junk.
Water bottles, recycling, 11 pounds.
It's pretty much anything that floats that ends up in the water is here. So
We should keep it. Yeah, keep it.
Yeah.
That's the pond.
Some of these bags are pretty much full of styrofoam. Mostly flotation, fishing floats, that kind of stuff.
32 pounds, good foam float. Nice. Hey, there we go. Okay.
Vampire.
Most of this stuff is fishing waste.
Yeah, Max. Yeah. Okay.
So how much did that net make?
4 lift bags, maybe a metric ton at least.
These are from Japanese oyster farms for the most part. They floated it over during the tsunami. These are dragger balls. This is like the big offshore trawl fleet that basically mows the bottom of the ocean like a lawnmower. They use these. We find tons and tons of these.
Dragger ball, dragger ball.
All of Steve's dragger balls are 124 kg.
We load up bags of actual garbage that just go straight to the dump, and then we load up bags of recycling.
Awesome.
Yeah, so once the fleet has kind of collected a certain amount of garbage, and we get some good weather, it's time to bring the helicopter in and start hooking the bags out to the barge. You hook out usually about 80 sites of garbage on those days. You need a lot of people in many different places at the same time because the helicopter moves really fast and you have to kind of stay ahead of the helicopter. There are 9 boats involved. We're on the Columbia 3, one of the older boats in the fleet. Gorgeous wooden boat. Regularly we're doing kayak tours. 2 or 3 boats descend on the barge and we have a sorting day. They kind of put the garbage to one side and they put the recycling to the other side, and we start going through all the recycling bags and consolidating all the different recyclable materials into the proper categories. So it helps us save a lot of space on the barge and helps the folks at the end of the recycling process save a lot of time organizing stuff. Got a lot of garbage here. Okay,